Okay, good afternoon, everyone, and everywhere around the world, in every country. Okay, so I want to introduce my miniatur oil rig or drilling rig. So this type we call semi-sub drilling rig, yeah. Okay, so I make it this miniatur rig from cardboard and also thin plywood, yeah. So I will introduce to everyone, to the people who never working offshore, working on rig, yeah. So the first I will tell to everybody, this is we call crown block, yeah. This is we call crown block, and the function for traveling the block, yeah. This is the top ramp, yeah. The top ramp can go up and down with the cable around this, yeah. Okay, so this is the direct for the people we call direct man to throw the drill pipe, yeah, from here. So, and this is rig floor, and that is the dog house, yeah. And this is the catwalk. Okay, so we can pull the drill pipe on the rail oil rig, yeah. We can pull drill pipe here, from here up to here. Okay, and this is the hole for drilling, and that is the draw. Okay, and this is we call the crane. We have three of them, yeah. 1, 2, and 3. And this is the bridge for the captain, and accommodation, yeah. This is accommodation, and this is forward lifeboat, yeah. We have 2 forward lifeboat, and we have another 2 lifeboat at the back here. This is another 2 lifeboat, yeah. Okay, so this is the deck, yeah, main deck. Okay, okay, and that is we call moon pool. Okay, all right, that's moon pool, yeah. This is welding shop, yeah, welding shop, and this is the tool pusher office and everything in there. This is accommodation, look from the back, and this is the main deck, yeah. Okay, and this is the anchor. We have 2 anchor every corner, and this is starboard up, okay, starboard forward, another 2 anchor. Okay, and this is port up anchor 2, and oh sorry, this is port forward, and this is port up, another 2 anchor, and this is we call pontoon, yeah, for make the oil rig floating in the water. Okay, 2 pontoon here. Okay, all right, this is pontoon. Okay, now we're gonna try floating into the water, yeah. Okay, all right, we try to floating, make sure this my miniature rig will be floating. All right, okay, yeah. Okay, look, can float, yeah. Okay, so my oil rig can float, yeah, can floating like the real one. Okay, like the real oil rig, semi-sub drilling rig. Look, okay. Can float, yeah. Okay, everyone, so thank you for watching my video, and don't forget like, comment and subscribe for another video, so you all can follow my new video. Thank you and good afternoon.